Welcome to the Crazy Family Show.
Good morning, folks. It is 7:29 in the morning. Crazy Momma's, of course, driving. Say morning.
Morning.
Oh, we're singing good morning. Good morning.
Hey,
What?
at least make me sound good if you're going to try to imitate me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Na, 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 na. Good morning. Good morning to you and you and you and move, car.
Why did we just sing the Viagra song?
I never thought of that. Anywho, moving on about Viagra. Moving on. So, it is rainy, cloudy, crappy weather.
Who needs YouTube sound effects when you have me?
Exactly. We have our coffee though. Yep. Oh my God.
I'm doing the sound effect.
Oh, okay. That's it for the sound effect.
Aww.
Aw, I'm drinking coffee.
No, you didn't hear me. Okay, clearly you didn't get my
Oh, no, what?
747 right over the top of Dean's head.
Yes.
You said, got our coffee this morning. I went,
No, I heard that sound.
that was my sound effect.
Okay. Oh, man. Anywho, so it is Monday. Boo. I don't like Mondays. Although another game. Oh, man. Wah, wah, wah. You know, I wish I had that as a button on my phone when somebody phones in and complains about something. Like my internet's not working, man. Wah, 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 wah. What would you have on your phone as a sound effect for customers?
Why is my bill so high? Bitch, better have some money.
Nice.
Or no, bitch, better have my money.
There you go. Where's my money?
No, it's that Rihanna song.
No, I know.
Oh, okay.
I know the song. I still think, and I should actually put it in as a submission.
Actually, no, that should be the hold music for camp.
Yes. I still think that for our, like, the division that you call when you want to cancel, loyalty it's called. Loyalty and retention they call it. I still think the hold music should be that what's that guy's name again? Sam whatever?
Sam Smith?
Sam Smith, that.
Oh, won't you stay with me?
Yes. Won't you? Yeah. That should be the hold music for them. Somehow, I think the irony would be kind of lost on customers, but, you know. They have a list that we can go and look at that shows the music. Now, the problem, though, of course, right now is that when we're intertransferring within, like, departments, the music that we have, and you heard it on one of the vlogs, I think I titled it Horrible Hold Music, and it's this, I don't know how to describe it.
It's a 3-loop, sort of electric sounding elevator music that is called, I called it ear bleed, because it's just, it's like, I don't know what they've done. It's just absolutely stupid. It's like 3 songs looped over and over and over again, and it sucks so bad when you've got to sit, if you have to transfer a customer and there's a long wait for the department you're transferring to, and you gotta listen to this shit, and you have to do a warm transfer. A warm transfer means you have to stay on the line with the customer, explain the situation to the next agent coming on the line that you're gonna transfer the customer to. That's called a warm transfer. And a cold transfer is when you don't need to stay on the line because the customer wants to speak to the department and they're gonna explain themselves. There's certain scenarios for different.
Oh. And we have a call.
Yes.
What time is Dean off?
Oh, it's the babysitter.
He's off at 4.
It's the babysitter.
Oh, I'm thinking, what the hell? Wait a minute. These have it for.
Did you just fart into the phone?
No.
All I heard was.
That was music. That was the mouth part.
Oh, okay. You're on the vlog, Deanna. Say hi.
What?
He's vlogging when you're on. The camera can hear you.
Oh.
This is the daycare lady, Deanna, that's on the phone right now. So, anywho.
Why would that be fine?
We are almost at
she
work.
just didn't-
Alright, so fast forward to later today. We've been home for a while. We had dinner. We had some spaghetti. Chris was just chilling on the couch. I'm watching Raw. Kids are playing. And we got that. Yeah. Rain. Boo. It's been raining all day. That's okay though. I am absolutely knackered though. Like I was lying on the chair, or sitting in the chair, just starting to doze off because I'm so tired. It's funny. So like 1 to 9 shifts suck, but getting up at 5 to be at work for 6 or for 8, I mean, really sucks because by the time I get home, I'm just so tired. But oh well, it is what it is. However, tomorrow is a new day. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I'm gonna call it a night though, so I can get this up for you early, so that I can go to bed early, so I can get a good sleep. Because I didn't sleep very well last night. My back was really hurting me, and then for some reason both the girls came into our room, and then at 2 in the morning they wanted to drink, and I'm just like, break my sleep up. So, thank you so much as always for stopping by. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Share the vlogs. It helps a lot. Leave a comment. I love reading comments. I know I'm bad with responding, but I'll sit down probably tomorrow or today and respond to them. So thank you, as always, for stopping by. But make sure you come back tomorrow. We'll see you then.